Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, March 20th, the day after the Fed announced their decision on interest rates. Obviously, they didn't do anything. They did pare back the QE spending program by $10 billion a month, which will be starting in April. So they went from $85 billion down to $65 billion over basically the past quarter. Janet Yellen removed the 6.5% unemployment target off the table as far as helping to make a decision, and she did say that with approximately 6 months after the QE buying has finished, that they will be looking to raise interest rates. So that hit equity prices, made the dollar rally yesterday. Obviously, we don't trade those events; they're too volatile for us. But as far as this morning went, relatively slow day again, unfortunately. We did have one trade, which was in the euro to yen. We were short 140.961. It made 2.5 pips. It was a pretty much difficult trade because we wanted to be out before the numbers came out at 8:30, which were initial jobless claims. Those numbers came in pretty much as expected. Unfortunately, we didn't. When this trade got triggered, we didn't have that much time. We only had maybe 20 minutes. So we took what we could get. Initial jobless claims came out and made it fall down a little bit more, not all that much, as you can see there on the chart. And then at 10 o'clock were home sales, which came in a little weaker than expected. And as a matter of fact, Robert Shiller was on Bloomberg TV this morning saying that the numbers were not good, saying that the housing market has definitely weakened, and it looks like the trend will be to continue to weaken, especially in single homes that are separated, that individually built, not in housing complexes. So he was not very positive, and that the Case-Shiller Index, and Robert Shiller is part of the Case-Shiller Index, the two guys that created. He's a Harvard professor. He's the expert when it comes to housing, so you got to listen to what he says. Not that it impacted the currency market much, but we're not going to be in that number, trading during that number. So that's it. Again, relatively slow. Unfortunately, picked up 2.5 pips on this one trade. That's it. If you're looking for long-term trades, we did have a couple last night. Euro dollar and pound dollar both worked out nicely depending on which one you took. Didn't really matter. But no other signals since then, so we're waiting as far as that goes. And that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Obviously, we got to get some action tomorrow. We'll do a video, and that's it. If you're trading now, good luck, and have a great evening.